Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very natural glam look. As far as natural, you're gonna get with me in regards to glam. So if you guys like to see how I accomplish this look, then make sure you stay tuned. And just for you guys to know, this is definitely a look featuring affordable products and affordable hair. So I'll be linking in the description to this hair and review I did on this hair above. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So let's get right into it. We're gonna start with these eyebrows, honey, because I need to be done. I shaved my unibrows today, y'all. Y'all be so proud of me. And so I did like shave my brows. Not shave them, but I cleaned them up. So we may be going for a skinny brow today. I don't know, sis. It really depends on what my brush strokes give me. Y'all, if y'all like this hair on my head, I know I laid it down pretty good or whatever. My baby hair's popping or whatever. I'm gonna have a link to this hair review and this video too. It's gonna be right above. So sis, don't miss your beat. Get into it. Primer's on. Now it's time to do my eyes. And I want you guys to comment down below what ways, or not what ways, like what steps you guys take when you do your makeup. Whether you do your brows first or do your foundation first. I know a lot of people do their foundation first. I personally don't do it, but I want to know what you guys do. So comment down below. So going in with that Fierce by Nature palette and then my handy dandy fluffy blending brush from the Glam collection from Morphe. They unfortunately discontinued that collection, but it's okay though. I still got it. So I'm going to take the Fierce by Nature palette and I'm going to go in with this color right here and apply that all over my lips. When I do that color, it's looking like a toothpaste color, but that's okay too. You know, they false flagging. They gotta make their money too. I get it. I don't like it, but I get it. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M441 brush, which is basically another fluffing brush. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right there. And I'm gonna focus this color mainly toward my outer lid. Okay guys, so now that's done, I'm gonna take this flat shaded brush, a large flat shaded brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this berry shimmer color right there, just apply it to my lips. This look is very beginner friendly and it is very inexpensive. The palette itself I think costs like 25 bucks, and then the primer is like $8 from Walmart. The palette you can get from Morphe.com or from Ulta for 25 bucks. And then the brushes you can substitute, but the brushes are also fairly reasonably priced. So that's a M441 brush. I'm gonna go back into my palette and I'm going to go in with this dark brown right here just to darken the brown. So I was using this one. I'm gonna use this one to darken up my outer corner. Going in with my last color, I'm gonna use this M506 brush from Morphe. And I'm gonna use this dark brown right here between this dark brown and black and just darken out my outer corners. Then I'm gonna clean it up and then come back and we're gonna start the rest of my face. Boom. That eye look, sis, already done. We're going natural for a day. I'm gonna bring in a dramatic wing line. I'm not gonna hold you guys because I just love dramatic makeup. I'm gonna try and make my eyeliner not super duper dramatic, but no guarantees. I try to keep it as natural as possible for you guys, but you guys know I just don't. Something about me and natural makeup, it don't go together. But I try though. I think it's still kind of natural. Throw some regular lashes on, you can have tell the difference. I bet you use the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Black liquid liner to do my wing liner, and I love it. I conceal the edges a little to clean it up, do that sharp look. But yeah, time to do the rest of my face. So if you watched my brush collection video, then you already know what brush I'm using. One of my favorite foundation brushes, and I'm using the Born This Way foundation in the color Chestnut by Too Faced. And if you guys haven't checked out that video, I will be linking it above. Make sure you check that out. I'm going to conceal my face using Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I'm going to use the NARS 1.5 concealer just to line it up under. Yeah, so I went and contoured my face on camera. Alright y'all, now I'm gonna go ahead and bake my face, and I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier powder and the color Translucent Honey. Now I did feel some type of way about this powder at first. When I first got it, I'm like, oh my god, it's too light for me. But like over time, like compared to like other brands like Too Faced, setting powder in color Honey, or actually I think I got it in Translucent because I think Honey was too dark for me. I decided that this was the best powder. Now obviously I love my midnight powder in the color Banana. I can never leave it, but until I find another one, I'm gonna stick with this in my midnight, of course. But I ran out my midnight, so that's why I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. But if you guys have any powders you would recommend, let me know down in the comment section. Lashes, one thing else about these little lashes that they get, my powder gets in them. My powder from my damn setting, my face gets in them. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some brown eyeshadow under like my eyes, and then I'm gonna go in and smoke it out with that lighter brown that I had earlier, and then we'll come back and we're gonna do the final look this time for her. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This look, like I said, I was trying to go natural, but I think it still is kind of natural, honestly. It doesn't have those crazy dramatic lashes that I usually wear. My lips are a natural color, and it's just like all in all a very natural looking glam look. Yes, it's pretty glam. It's probably like as natural as you're gonna get with me. I'm just say that part. I like to tone it down a little, but I think it's pretty natural glam. So basically, yeah, this is the look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like I said, make sure you also comment on how you prefer to do your makeup. Like, do your eyebrows first, your foundation first, your eyeshadow first? Sis, let me know. I'll let you know right now. If my eyebrows are not done first, we don't have a base. Thank you guys for tuning in with me, listening to me rant and ramble. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, make sure you also subscribe to my channel and keep up to date with me. Hit that bell notification. And I'll see you guys in my next video.